Greetings and welcome. Today I have a second IBM T221 to join my collection of old style workstation accessories, and is part of my project to make my Power Mac G5 quad the coolest and most modern work-able PowerPC Mac around the world. It doesn't seem to be very well packed. I hope it survived the trip. The box is very smashed and seems to be very soft. So let's get it open. There's a lot of bubble wrap, but I can already see here the power supply. It's not really well hidden, and I hope it's not hitting the screen. Let's take it out. The power supply was probably hitting the back of the screen, which is not good. But it's connected to the display. I don't know why no one ever disconnects the cables before shipping the display. The DVI connector is a bit bent. Should be able to fix it. The other one looks good. And it's upside down, fantastic. Oh man, it broke. Fucking hell. Alright, let me cut the video here and take it out. Look at this. This is rubbish. So look at this, guys. The monitor is totally destroyed. And it was perfect before, according to the seller information. Look at this. It's gone. And this is very, very sad.